Good evening all. Welcome to our YouTube channel Odontology, the study of teeth. Today we are going to see about the morphological aspects of the tooth, which is the most commonly chapter or the section that is taken in your first BDS class on the subject dental anatomy and oral histology. So this I am holding a maxillary, permanent maxillary central incisor tooth. Okay, in this the parts includes the crown. Okay, this is the, whenever the question is asked, you have to tell about the first is crown. Okay, this is the crown and this is your root portion. Fine. So this is your crown portion of the natural tooth and here is your root, and the junction between the crown and the root is called as cervical line. You can see one semicircular line here. Okay, that is called a cervical line. It joins all the areas or the aspects of the tooth. Okay, fine. So next thing what we are going to learn is the various aspects that helps you to learn the anatomy properly, dental anatomy properly, the tooth morphology properly. That is, first is labial aspect. Labial aspect means facing towards the labial mucosa or the lip portion. Okay, that is called labial aspect. Then mesial aspect. Mesial aspect indicates that it is towards the midline. Okay, when you section the human anatomy, you will be learning the sectional aspect of the human body, the midline crossing the from the head to toe. Okay, that portion is called as the mesial aspect, and the opposite to mesial is your distal aspect. Okay, that is indicating away from the midline. Towards the midline is called as mesial aspect, and away from the midline is called as distal aspect. Okay, then direct opposite to labial aspect is your lingual aspect. Okay, so what are the structures are seen specifically on the lingual aspect is your lingual fossa. This guy is called as, this portion is called as lingual fossa. Yes, this is called as lingual fossa, and this small eminence, a well formed eminence, is called as cingulum. This portion is called as a cingulum. This is called lingual fossa and this is called cingulum. Okay, and final aspect is, this is your incisal aspect. Okay, 5 aspects are there: labial, mesial, lingual or palatal. Palatal, that is, this maxillary teeth is facing towards the palate, that is called as palatal aspect. Then distal aspect. Fine, distal aspect. When it is for the lower incisor, for the mandibular incisor, this portion is called as lingual aspect because it is facing towards the tongue surface. Okay, tongue tissue. So the labial aspect, here is the lingual aspect or the palatal aspect, mesial, and opposite to mesial is distal, that is towards the midline or away from the midline. And the last aspect is called as incisal aspect. Incisal aspect, and this portion is called as incisor edge. Fine. For the posteriors, for when you see the posterior, there will be a slight change in the terminologies. Okay, instead of this incisor edge, you have occlusal aspect, well formed occlusal. All things will be dealt in detail in upcoming videos. Okay, so apart from the what are other structure, basic structures you can see in the morphological aspects of the natural tooth is your apical foramen. You can see small hole like here. Okay, that is called as apical foramen. Fine, where your nerves and blood supply will be following into the pulp chamber of the tooth structure. Okay, this is called as apical foramen. Small hole you can evident, that is called as apical foramen, where your nerves and blood vessels for the nourishment of the tooth will pass into the root portion where it reaches the pulp chamber. When you are talking about the histological aspects or the ground sectional view of the natural tooth, will be explained about in each detail about the histological aspects of the natural tooth. So with this, we concluding in this video about the morphological aspects of the natural tooth, that is permanent maxillary central incisor. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel and wait for your upcoming videos. Thank you.